A daily cloud, the game, how to play. The object of the game is to earn the most points. Give each player a frame, dry erase marker, and cloud token. The owner of the game is the first Cloud Conductor and takes the sand timer and scorecard. Every player, including the Cloud Conductor, takes one cloud card from the box and, while keeping the card hidden from everyone else, places it into their frame. Press the indentation at the top of the frame to release the hinge and open it. Each player may rotate their card however they want to help get inspired for what they want to draw over their cloud. Their goal is to draw the most compelling drawing, not the most skilled drawing. Words, numbers, and symbols are allowed. Stick figures, rough sketches, simple lines, expressive flourishes, or messy drawings can be more effective than you realize. Once everyone is ready, the Cloud Conductor flips over the timer and everyone draws. While drawing, be sure to keep your image hidden from others. The Cloud Conductor announces when the time runs out, and everyone stops and flips their images face down and passes them to the Cloud Conductor. Everyone looks up at the clouds, and the images are mixed up so no one knows which is which. Once mixed, the Cloud Conductor flips them over and everyone votes for the one they think is the most compelling sketch. You are not allowed to vote for your own. If you do, you lose 1 point. Once everyone has voted, the person who drew the image that received the most votes scores 1 point, which is recorded on the scorecard. If there is a tie, then the Cloud Conductor decides, but they are still not allowed to vote for their own. Each player takes back their cloud token, then all the images are flipped face down and mixed up without anyone looking, and each player is given one. Each player flips over their image and secretly looks at it. The Cloud Conductor flips the timer, and now everyone secretly writes a caption for the image on the opposite side of their card. You can write anything you want. It is recommended to keep what you write shorter than 2 sentences. Once done, all the frames are put writing side down on the table, and the Cloud Conductor carefully mixes them up without anyone looking, being careful not to ruin any drawing. Then randomly deals 1 to each player. One at a time, beginning with the Cloud Conductor and proceeding clockwise, each player picks up their frame and reads the words while showing the image to everyone else. Once everyone has read theirs, everyone votes for which image has the best caption. You cannot vote for your own. The player who wrote the most popular caption scores 1 point. If it is a tie, the Cloud Conductor picks the winner, but they may not pick themselves. The players take back their cloud tokens and erase both sides of their cloud cards. Then they are all discarded and a new round is played with the role of the Cloud Conductor rotating clockwise by 1. Once every player has been the Cloud Conductor once, the game ends and the player with the most points wins.